begins, it shapes the ground. Each beat connects, it forms the sound. A steady force that spins around. A melody that keeps us bound. The air responds with every tone. A current felt, a thread unknown. Each motion builds, it stands alone. A song we carry fully grown.
The groove begins to fill the air. It builds the way, it moves with care. The tones combine, they form the flare. A crafted sound beyond compare.
The flow aligns with every turn. A steady wave begins to churn. Each note ignites, it starts to burn. A melody for us to learn. The sound collides, it finds its place. A steady stream, a bold embrace. Each layer builds, it carves the space. A melody we all can trace. The air ignites, it shapes the line. A crafted tone, a sound divine. Each motion flows, it starts to shine. A song that stands the test of time. Feel the sound as it begins. A wave of power from within. Shifting beats align the way. A timeless sound that will not stray. It builds the world, it claims the day. A melody that will not fade. The tones combine, they lift the air. A living force beyond compare. The sounds connect, they form the stream. A crafted wave, a vivid beam. Each note ascends, it holds the dream. A melody that reigns supreme. It builds the ground, it finds the core. A lasting song forevermore. Each moment holds what we adore. A sound that we cannot ignore. Let the current take the space. A sound that moves with steady pace.
The melody fades, it softly stays. A guiding tone in endless ways.
Shifting beats create the ground. A timeless force where we are found.